Good morning to one and all. Now we see a problem. Evaluate sin 60 degrees cos 30 degrees plus sin 30 degrees cos 60 degrees. What is the value of sin of 60 degrees plus 30 degrees? What can you conclude? That means by finding these sin 60 cos 30 degrees plus sin 30 degrees cos 60 degrees value and sin of 60 degrees plus 30 degrees values finding. Here there will be any same result or anything coming that is there asked. So once we checking, okay, so first we taking sin 60 degrees cos 30 degrees plus sin 30 degrees cos 60 degrees, that equal to sin 60 degrees value is root 3 by 2. Sin 30 value is also root 3 by 2. Next, sin 30 value is 1 by 2. Cos 60 value is also 1 by 2. Now, root 3 by 2 into root 3 by 2 equal to, that is nothing but 3 by 4. Next, 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 is 1 by 4. Now, 3 by 4 plus 1 by 4. Now, both the fractions are like fractions. Their denominator is equal. So, directly we can add. So, 3 plus 1 by 4. 3 plus 1 by 4, that is nothing but 4 by 4 equal to 1. Okay. Now we finding the value of sin of 60 degrees plus 30 degrees. Sin of 60 degrees plus 30 degrees, that equal to 60 degrees plus 30 degrees is nothing but 90. So sin 90 degrees value is nothing but 1. So here both cases we get the same result. That means here we can write sin of 60 degrees cos 30 degrees plus sin 30 degrees cos 60 degrees equal to sin of 60 degrees plus 30 degrees. Okay. So here if we can retain this one as a principle, now we can write sin of a plus b equal to sin a cos b plus sin b cos a. Okay, sin of a plus b equal to sin a cos b plus sin b cos a we can write. Similarly, we can write sin of a minus b equal to sin a cos b minus sin b cos a. Okay, if we do subtraction, now here 60 minus 30 equal to sin 30. Sin 30 value is nothing but 1 by 2. Here also if we observe, if we do subtraction, 3 by 4 minus 1 by 4, that is nothing but 2 by 4. 2 by 4 value is 1 by 2 only, that is sin 30 value only. That means we can write sin of a minus b equal to sin a cos b minus sin b cos a. Similarly, if we taken cos of a plus b equal to, we can write cos a cos b minus sin a sin b, and cos of a minus b equal to cos a cos b plus sin a sin b. This one also we can write. About this one, next we see the problem. Next, here given the problem, is it right to say cos of 60 degrees plus 30 degrees equal to cos 60 degrees cos 30 degrees minus sin 60 degrees sin 30 degrees. So now cos of 60 degrees plus 30 degrees finding first. So cos 60 plus 30, that equal to cos 90. So cos 90 value from this table is 0. Next, the LHS cos 60 cos 30 minus sin 60 sin 30 degrees observing. So cos 60 value is cos 60 equal to 1 by 2 into cos 30 value is root 3 by 2 minus sin 60 equal to root 3 by 2. Next, sin 30 value is 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 into root 3 by 2 equal to, that is nothing but root 3 by 4. Next, my root 3 by 2 into 1 by 2 means root 3 by 4. So root 3 by 4 minus root 3 by 4 equal to 0. So here cos of 60 plus 30 degrees equal to 0 came. Cos 60 degrees cos 30 degrees minus sin 60 degrees sin 30 degrees is also 0. So here we can say both answers are equal. Cos 60 degrees plus 30 degrees equal to cos 60 degrees cos 30 degrees minus sin 60 degrees sin 30 degrees. Same before problem model only. In the place of 60 plus 60 and 30 degrees, any value substitute, we get the same result only. So we can write cos of A plus B equal to cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. Okay. Next, if tan theta equal to root 3, then find the value of 1 plus cos theta. So our to given tan theta equal to root 3. So here we have to find the theta value, and the theta value substitute here and find 1 plus cos theta. So for finding the theta, our to given tan theta equal to root 3. So in tan theta, when we get to root 3, in tan theta we get to root 3 at 60 degrees. So that is here it is nothing but tan 60 degrees. So tan theta equal to tan 60 degrees. So both sides removing tan, then theta is nothing but 60 degrees. So now we have to find 1 plus cos theta. 1 plus cos theta equal to 1 plus cos 60 degrees. So cos 60 degrees is nothing but 1 by 2. So 1 plus 1 by 2, that is equal to 3 by 2. 2 1 are 2, 2 plus 1 equal to 3. So its answer is 3 by 2. Next problem given one, find the value of tan 2a if cos 3a equal to sin 45 degrees. So by using this condition cos 3a equal to sin 45 degrees, we have to find tan 2a. So cos 3a equal to sin 45 degrees given. So sin 45 degrees and cos, both ratios are not equal. So first we taking the value of sin 45 degrees. So sin 45 degrees equal to 1 by root 2. Now if we observe cos to 1 by root 2 k means that is also there when 45 degrees to only. So in the place of 1 by root 2, now we can take cos 45 degrees also. So cos 3a equal to cos 45 degrees. Now the both sides cos removed means 3a equal to 45. Now a equal to multiplication 3 transferred, that is division. So 45 by 3 equal to 15. So a equal to 15 degrees. Now tan 2a we have to find. So tan 2a equal to tan 2 into a value is 15. So 2 15s are 30. So tan 30. So from the table tan 30 equal to 1 by root 3. So tan 2a value is 1 by root 3. So here given, if sin a equal to 1 by root 2 and cot b equal to 1, prove that sin of a plus b equal to 1 where a and b both are acute angles. So from that given information we have to find the angles a and b. So the two angles substitute and that are add and apply sin ratio, we have to get 1. That is the question given. So the given first ratio is sin a equal to 1 by root 2 given. So in sin theta when we get 1 by root 2 means sin 45 plus we get 1 by root 2. So that is sin 45 degrees. So sin a equal to sin 45. So a is nothing but 45 degrees. Similarly cot b equal to 1 given. So in cot theta when we get 1, so in cot theta we get 1 at the place of 45 degrees. So cot b equal to cot 45. Both sides that cot will be removed means b equal to 45 degrees. Now if we taken sin of a plus b, that is a value is 45 degrees and the b value is 45 degrees. So 45 plus 45 is nothing but 90 degrees. So sin 90 equal to we get 1. So that is only we have to proved. Okay, sin of a plus b equal to 1 we proved. And the next problem given, 4 tan square 45 degrees minus cosec square 30 degrees plus cos square 30 degrees equal to 3 by 4. So the LHS one taking 4 tan square 45 degrees minus cosec square 30 degrees plus cos square 30 degrees, that equal to, so tan 45 is nothing but 1. So 1 whole square minus cosec 30 degrees. So cosec 30 degrees is nothing but 2. So 2 whole square plus cos 30 degrees. So cos 30 degrees is nothing but root 3 by 2. So root 3 by 2 whole square. Okay, so 1 square equal to 1. So 4 ones are 4 minus 2 square equal to 4 plus root 3 by 2 whole square equal to, that is 3 by 4. So 4 minus 4 equal to 0. 0 plus 3 by 4 equal to 3 by 4. So we get 4 tan square 45 degrees minus cosec square 30 degrees plus cos square 30 degrees equal to 3 by 4. Okay. The problem here one, if tan of a plus b equal to 1 and cos of a minus b equal to root 3, 0 less than or equal to 0 less than a plus b less than 90, a is greater than b, then find the values of a and b. So here we have to find angle a and angle b. For that purpose here a information given. So tan of a plus b equal to 1. So when we get tan to 1, the trigonometric ratio at which angle means tan 45 equal to 1 we get. So tan of a plus b equal to tan 45. So both sides tan will be removed, then a plus b equal to 45. Next, the given second ratio cos of a minus b equal to root 3. In cos, when we get root 3 by 2 means that is at the place of 30 degrees. So cos of a minus b equal to cos 30 degrees. So here also cos both sides removed means a minus b equal to 30 degrees. Now if we simplify this, a plus b equal to 45 and a minus b equal to 30, we get the values of angle A and angle B. Okay, for that purpose adding equations 1 and 2. A plus b equal to 45 degrees and a minus b equal to 30 degrees. So a plus a that equal to 2a, b minus b gets cancelled. 45 degrees plus 30 degrees, that is nothing but 75 degrees. Then a equal to 75 by 2, that equal to 37.5. So a degrees is 37.5. Now this value substitute in first or second equation, we get the value of b. So I am taking first equation. From equation 1, a plus b equal to 45. Now b equal to 45 minus a, that equal to 45 minus 37.5. So that equal to 7.5. So angle B equal to 7.5 degrees and angle A equal to 37.5 degrees, and both angles are acute angles only, that is only here given, and both angles sum is 45 only. A plus B less than 30 and A is greater than B. So angle A 37.5 degrees is greater than 7.5 degrees. Okay, given choose the right option. 2 tan 30 degrees by 1 plus tan 45 degrees is equal to sin 60 or cos 30 or tan 30 or sin 30, that is given. So if we observe that given problem, 2 tan 30 degrees by 1 plus tan square 45 degrees, that equal to 2 into tan 30. So tan 30 equal to 1 by root 3. So 2 into 1 by root 3 by 1 plus tan square 45 degrees. Tan 45 degrees equal to 1. So 1 by 1, 2 into 1 by root 3 by 1 plus 1 square. 1 square is nothing but 1. So 1 plus 1 equal to 2, and here the numerator 2 into 1 by root 3 means 2 by root 3. So here 2 by root 3 by 3 by 2, that means it is nothing but 2 by root 3 into 1 by 2. So 2 gets cancelled, that equal to 1 by root 3. So here 1 by root 3, when we get 1 by root 3, we get at the place of tan 30 degrees. Okay, at the place of tan 30 degrees we get 1 by root 3. Otherwise cot 60 degrees place we get 1 by root 3. So here at which place that will be nearest one there means that is tan 30 degrees to 1 by root 3 there. So that equal to tan 30 degrees. Otherwise cot 60 degrees, but here the option is tan 30 degrees. So the answer is option C. Okay, evaluate tan square 60 degrees plus 4 cos square 45 degrees plus 3 sec square 30 degrees plus 5 cot square 90 degrees by cosec 30 degrees plus sec 60 degrees minus cos square 30 degrees. So here finding this problem, splitting numerator denominator. So first finding the numerator's value, that is tan square 60 degrees plus 4 cos square 45 degrees plus 3 sec square 30 degrees plus 5 cos square 90 degrees. Tan 60 degrees equal to root 3. So root 3 whole square plus 4 into cos 45 equal to 1 by root 2. So 1 by root 2 whole square plus 3 into sec 30. Sec 30 equal to 2 by root 3. So 2 by root 3 whole square plus 5 into cos 90. Cos 90 equal to, so 0 square. Root 3 square is nothing but 3. 1 by root 2 whole square equal to 1 by 2 plus 3 into 2 by root 3 whole square means 4 by 3 plus 5 into 0 square equal to 0. So 3 plus 2 ones 2 twos. So 3 plus 2 plus 3 3's, that equal to 4 plus 5 into 0 0. So 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus 4 equal to 9. So the numerator's answer is 9. Next, cosec 30 degrees plus sec 60 degrees minus cot square 30 degrees, that equal to cosec 30 equal to 2, sec 60 equal to 2, cot 30 equal to root 3. So root 3 whole square, cot square 30 degrees given. So 2 plus 2 4 minus root 3 whole square equal to 3. 4 minus 3 equal to 1. So now the given problem, tan square 60 degrees plus 4 into cos square 45 degrees plus 3 into sec square 30 degrees plus 5 into cos square 90 degrees by cosec 30 degrees plus sec 60 degrees minus cot square 30 degrees, that equal to 9 by 1, that equal to 9. Okay.